we're doing the ball clap right now. So all you need is a ball, and it doesn't even have to be a ball. It can be a bouncy ball, it can be a sock ball, it can be a stuffed animal. But what we need to do is we need to make sure we're outside and we have something ready to throw and catch. So first we're going to start by doing the clap progression. Every time you catch the ball, you're going to add one clap. If you drop the ball, you take away one clap. So we're going to start first with one. You toss, clap, catch. Now this next time, we're going to do two. 1, 2, catch. So now 3. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to keep going. If you're going on to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you forget and you don't catch it in time, you're going to go back to 3. And then if you catch it, you can move on to 4. So that's your first challenge with the ball. The second is you're going to toss it as high as you can and clap as many times as you can. So you're going to and try and get as many catches as you can. And your third challenge with the tennis ball or the ball toss is you're going to try and toss it up and catch it in different ways. So this time you can let the ball bounce. So maybe you want to clap, go around, and catch. Maybe you want to try and catch it behind your back. So there's many different ways you can do. We want to see those. The Wacky Balloon Timer. All you need is a balloon blown up, and you need some space around you. You might need some other items if you want to try different challenges, but for most of them, all we need to do is make sure our body is ready to move, so make sure you stretch before these activities. With the balloon, you're going to hit it as high as you can with your hand, and then you're going to try and do a different activity. So let's say the first one might be 2 squats. You're going to give yourself some room, and you're going to hit the balloon in the air. 1, 2, and catch. For each activity, make sure you catch the balloon for it to count. So we did that one, and that was to do 2 squats. So maybe our next challenge could be to do as many jumping jacks before it hits the ground. Make sure you have some space. 2, 3, 4, 5. Just before it hits the ground. So I just did 5. For all of the challenges, make sure you have a balloon. If a balloon is not around and you do not have one, you can use a tennis ball and you can give it 2 bounces. So with the same thing, jumping jacks, you toss it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And then you have to catch it on the second bounce.